Hi guys, but today I'll be unboxing the limited edition K-pop Demon Hunters Jinu Funkopop. And let's go open it. Okay, and that's how I opened it. And guys, this is the Jinu one. There's more that you have to get. You could get the Zoe, Rumi, the P with Sussy, K-pop Demon Hunters Funko Pops, and I got the Jinu one right here. I'm gonna check mark everything on every box. So wait, let me go check my first one. Got the marker, guys. I'm gonna go check marker. Check market. I just checked the market. You can wipe it off anytime you want, but I'm gonna wipe it off for now. I'm gonna go turn white it again. Wait guys, I'm gonna come back for a second. I'm gonna do this again for a second. Okay, then we check marquee. I'm check marking this too. I'm just kidding. I won't check mark this at all. And I just checked the market, so my finger's full of green markers. So let's go put this back in my Posca box. Guys, I'm back and check the mark to Jinu. Let's put the box side to side. Side to side. And guys, see you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's get Jinu back in this box. Guys, like and subscribe, hit the bell button, comment who's your favorite K-pop Demon Hunters character, like and subscribe. Bye guys.